Oh no, a people person.
I'll be in later to give you a dish of cream, Queenie, and there'll be some corn for you, Robot. If you can make me an egg for my lunch, perhaps a brown one with speckles.
Brown I can manage, but I am fresh out of speckles. What's that?
There's a dirty footprint on the shag.
Oh, it's always in a place where it shows. Some people are so thoughtless. Why can't they just step on the pattern section like civilized folk?
I don't mind where they step. My point is that someone has stepped at all in our house.
And look, whoever it was has burst one of the pillows.
I'm not a burst pillow.
Oh my word, it speaks.
What are you? Animal? Vegetable? Or... I don't know.
Duckable. I mean duck. Duck. I'm a duckling.
Are you sure you're a duck? Was your mother a duck?
Yes, she was.
Well, she must have been sick as a parrot when she saw you.
Oh, Lola, that was terribly good.
Thank you, dear. But I don't think I've ever seen such an ugly duckling.
What are you doing in our house?
Well, I was sheltering from the cold. I saw that the door was open and didn't think it would hurt to just step inside.
Not hurt? Not hurt. Well, let me just tell you that the marks you've left on the carpet will drive the old woman to grab the carpet fresh. And we can't bear the smell of that stuff, can we, dear?
Steady, Queenie. He's obviously going through the molt. Hormones running amok, irrational behavior, mood swings.
What of it?
I don't think I like your tone, young poultry, my lad. And mind that, you'll be marking the antimacassar next.
What's an antimacassar?
I don't know, but it obviously works. There hasn't been a macassar in the house for as long as I can remember.
Oh, Queenie, that was awfully good. You are a funny cat.
Oh, thank you, dear.
Cat? Cat? Are you a cat?
Of course, I'm a cat.
Sorry. Are you going to eat me?
Oh, don't be disgusting. The very thought. No. I've never been into the bird butchering business. All those feathers, it's like eating and flossing your teeth at the same time. No. The old woman poaches me a fresh fish.
But the old woman's a person. Doesn't she hurt you? And you're a chicken. What are you doing shut inside? Don't you prefer it out in the yard?
You must be crazy. All that scratching and scraping. I live on the couch, thank you very much. Queenie and I are domesticated, you see. It takes all sorts to make a world. On that point we are clear. It takes all sorts to make a world, but we don't want to hear. Our taste is good and liberal. Our views are well expressed. It takes all sorts to make a world. It's just that
chat. Well, we sit and we chat. Oh, and sometimes I'll arch my back and let sparks fly from my fur.
And then we sit and chat and sit and chat. Oh, and sometimes I will lay an egg.
And that's it?
What else is there for civilized folk to do? What do you do?
Well, my absolute favorite thing is swimming. It's so wonderful letting the water close over your head as you plunge right down at the bottom.
Oh, Lobite knows all about plunging at the bottom, don't you, dear?
Come on, I'll show you.
Oh, swimming in the autumn? I've never heard of such a crazy notion.
Well, you could use some exercise, dear. Think of your thigh meat. She's got drumsticks like an ostrich.
Well, you haven't exactly been a slave to your step aerobics either. It's as much as you can do to get your flap open.
Gracious, Lobite, you're missing a TV program. Chop, chop. She just loves her antique show.
Well, where's the remote?
You're sitting on it.
6 months on, it's still no sign from the document, which, as you remember from the photo release, has a very unforgettable appearance. Now, our experts believe that he has undergone some changes since we last saw him, and they put together a composite of what he might look like today. Some viewers may find this image disturbing.
I'm sure he's still out there somewhere, so if anyone has seen him, please call in.
Mama!
Yes, we are appealing to you, the viewers, one more time. If you have any information, the number is on the bottom of your screen.
Is there something you would like to tell us, dear?
Mama,